Hello friends, myself Vishwanath Tiwari, Assistant Professor Electrical and Electrical Engineering Department SIRT Bhopal. Today I want to discuss difference between squirrel cage and bound rotor induction motor. This is the electrical machine series have third lecture. In first lecture I want to discuss construction of a three-phase or single-phase induction motor and operating principle of induction motor. In this series, I have proceed difference between squirrel cage and wound rotor induction motor. First of all, I want to discuss about briefly in induction motor. Induction motor have two types of three-phase induction motor and single-phase induction motor. In single-phase induction motor, we have required single-phase supply. For three-phase induction motor, we have required three-phase AC supply. The three-phase induction motor basic principle based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. It is machine is used in widely used in industrial and commercial application like due to robustness, simplicity, and higher efficiency and reliability. The basic principle of induction motor based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. In we want to proceed difference between induction is a squirrel cage and rotor. First of all, I want to see some figures related to squirrel cage rotor and wound rotor. Squirrel cage induction motor have three parts: metal rings and laminated cores and copper bars, and this is called rotor. This figure is also known as the squirrel cage induction motor, and this figure is also known as wound rotor induction motor, or simply known as slip ring induction motor. So that I also known as the bond rotor is known as slip ring induction motor. In difference, squirrel cage induction motor and bond rotor induction motor. First point first, high current is required for a squirrel cage induction motor, and bond rotor motor have required low starting current. Then second point, construction is simple. Squirrel cage in case of squirrel cage induction motor have a simple construction, but wound rotor induction motor have complete some complicated structures. Then third point, squirrel cage induction motor have require less maintenance, and wound rotor induction motor require high maintenance. The squirrel cage induction motor have cheaper than bond rotor induction motor, but bond rotor induction motor have costlier because it's have required some additional equipments. And squirrel cage induction motor have low starting torque, but bond rotor induction motor have high starting. So this is used in widely used in higher applications we have required. In a squirrel cage induction motor have poor starting efficiency, but bond rotor motor have good starting efficiency, and squirrel cage motor have a low power factor or have a good power factor or approximate 0.95 lagging power factor, but bond rotor induction motor have low power factor, approximate 0.7 0.6 to approximate 0.9 0.86. In squirrel cage induction motor have a rotor bond have rotor bars. They has provide good magnetic field and require a high making a square cage induction motor good efficiency and good performance. But bond rotor induction motor have a rotor winding similar to the stator. These are the difference between square cage induction motor. Thank you for listening.